Hello and welcome back! The water park is full of shapes. What a great spot to learn about today's lesson! Understanding the area of a rectangle. Let's see where we can learn today's lesson. Right here in this rectangle pool!
When we use a square grid, it is easy to find out the area of a shape by counting the numbers of squares that are inside the shape.
However, we can also find out the area of a rectangle or a square by multiplying the length and breadth. Like this. The length of this rectangle is 7 centimeters. The breadth of the rectangle is 4 centimeters. To find the area, we can do 7 multiplied by 4. That equals to 28 square centimeters. Remember, the opposite sides of a rectangle are the same. While area is always written in square units, perimeter is written in the unit of length. Look at this float. The length of the float is 2 meters, and the breadth is 1 meter. What is the area of the float? The area of the float is 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2 square meters. Look at this billboard. It is also a rectangle. The length of the billboard is 8 meters, and breadth is 6 meters. What is the area of the billboard?
The area of the billboard is 8 multiplied by 6. That equals to 48 square meters.
Here is a square. Can you find the area of the square by knowing the length of just one side?
Sure. All sides of a square are the same. If we know the length of one side of a square, we can easily find out its area. The length of one side of the square is 6 centimeters. So the area of the square is 6 multiplied by 6. That equals to 36 square centimeters.
Well done! If you know your multiplication tables well, you can calculate the area of rectangles of all sizes in a jiffy. If you'd like to brush up on your multiplication skills, you can watch Chapter 5. Where is Luffy?
She is in the queue for the water slide. The water slide is one of the most popular attractions in the water park.
Absolutely, and one of the most fun, too.
Let's join Luffy.
The first water slide was invented all the way in the 1920s, and ever since, they have only grown bigger and bigger. In fact, the biggest water slides can stretch over many hundreds of meters. Since our day at the water park is almost ending, I guess we better make the most of all the rides around us. While we enjoy the rides, you can enjoy the fun quiz coming up next.